React hooks is a very big concept because there are a lot of hooks in React which we cannot cover entirely. But in this course, we will be seeing the most important hook, which is called use state. So this is the important hook which React uses in most of the projects. So we are going to use the use state in this project. So let me see how to use it. Actually, the use state hook is in the React package, but it is a named import which we have to import it. So we have to provide that curly brace, and here you can see there are a lot of hooks like use callback, use context, use effect, and here is the use state. And now we got the use state hook, and here we have to use the use state hook. Let me show you how to use that. The use state hook generally has two things. One is the variable name through which you can access the state. Here I'll just put it as items, and another one is a function for setting these items. So I can give it name as set items. These names is doesn't matter. You can give whatever name you want here, because but you're going to access this function and this variable only with these names. And here you have to declare the use state, and here it's gonna be an array, because this is going to be an array of items which is going to maintain all the items whatever we add in this to-do list.